All right, so we have our real estate Easy Tech team, real estate dashboard. So we see it's a platform transforming real estate with AI and blockchain, eliminating frauds, inefficiencies, and distrust. The platform connects property owners, buyers, tenants, technicians, and government bodies, and so on. So you can see some features of our platform: verified listings, direct transactions, ownership verification service provider. So we get started by hitting the get started button, and I am taken to the login page. So I'll first of all walk you through out the admin account. So I'm going to log into the admin account with these credentials. So I sign in, and I have the admin dashboard here. You can see the admin can see the statistics of all the users, property listings, those are active, pending, rejected, verified, and so on. The admin can see all the transaction summaries, user management, and so on. The next component is the users component. The admin will be able to see all the users of the system. You can see those who are owners, those who are tenants, those who are technicians, and so on. The admin can edit um, any account, can delete any account, and so on. Can also add a new user, can export the list of users, and so on. So I hit on the property component, which is one of the most important components of the system. Here I can, the admin can see all the properties added. For now, there's no property added, and now you can see the admin can sort the properties using the categories verified, unverified, listed, unlisted, and so on. So the admin can as well add a property to the system. So you see by filling this form: property name, property owner, contact, location, price, property type, is there land, apartment, so on. Listing type: for sale, for rent, splash, status, listed, unlisted, pending souls, bedroom, how many bedrooms if it's a house, how many bathrooms if it's a house, the area if it's the land, zoning type, is it residential, commercial, or industrial. Intended use, is it a home, school, bar, hotel, office, and so on. Layout, what can I say about layout? Room, kitchen, toilet, and so on. um, we have the region, select the region. We can have all these GPS coordinates, virtual tour URL, property documents. If there's any property document you upload here, description, you can just give a good description about the house or the land or the property. You see, if it's a land, if it's a house, you can add swimming pool. If there's a swimming pool, they can add security camera, internet, and so on, furnished, and so on. So you know how to add these amenities. So we can also add a video or an image of the property by simply clicking here. So once you have filled all the important fields here, you can just add the property, and it's going to be added here. So we get to the transaction components where all the transactions will be seen. You see all the transactions with their transaction IDs. The admin can sort the transactions using the category spending, completed, fields, and so on. Then we also have, you can view details. We also have the government components where important documents will be verified. The land certificates uploaded by property owners, the building permits, and so on is going to be verified here by the government, and app is going to be the status. The admin is going to check the status to see whether to approve it or to allow it pending. So we get back to a property owner's account. I've already created an account here with these credentials. That is a property owner's account. I sign into it. I have the dashboard. As you can see, the property owner can overview all the properties, those for sale, listed pending, those listed pending statuses and so on. You can see the payment transactions. So another important component is the property component here, where a property owner or a landlord can see all the properties added. You can also set the properties using these categories: listed, unlisted, pending verification, verified, all property types, and so on. Then he can also add a property by filling all these forms, the same form as we saw in the admin form for adding a property. So once or everything is filled, you can just click on the add property and so on. So we also have the inquiries component and the payment component. So in the next video, I'll be taking you through the tenant account and the technician account.